Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha, Namaste. So this is going to be a learning video on 32 names of Durga. Now this 32 names of Durga is a very powerful names which when recited helps the one who recites to overcome most of the obstacles in life. It also is said to cure diseases and helps you to overcome the difficulties in life and dangers in life. It also acts as a kavach on the person who recites this particular 32 names of Durga. So this video is going to be a learning video where we will learn to chant the 32 names with correct pronunciation. So this 32 names is from the Durga Shaptashati. So we will see how to recite the names. So first I will split the names and I'll teach and then I'll recite it once. Durga, Durgarti Shamani, Durga Padvi Nivarini. So Nivarini, that ana sound has to come. It's a strong ana sound. Okay. Durgamachedini. Cha is a Mahaprana. Durga, Durga Sadhini, Durga Nashini. Durga, Durgati Shamani, Durga Padvi Nivarini, Durga Machedini, Durga Sadhini, Durga Nashini, Durgato Dharini. Dha is a Mahaprana. Durgato Dharini, Durga Nihantri, Durgama Paha. Durgama Jnanada, Durga Daitya Loka Davanala. Durgato Dharini, Durga Nihantri, Durgamapaha. Durgamatjnanada, Durga Daitya Loka Davanala. Durgama, Durgama Loka, Durga Matmaswa Rupini. Durgamarga Prada, Durga Mavidya, Durgama Shrita. Durgama, Durgama Loka, Durgamatmaswarupini, Durgamarga Prada, Durgama Vidya, Durgama Shrita, Durgama Jnana Samsthana. Tha is a Mahaprana. Durga Madhyana Bhasini. Dha and Bha both are Mahapranas. Durga Moha, Durga Maga, Durga Martha Swarupini, Durga Matjnana Samsthana, Durga Madhyana Bhasini, Durga Moha, Durga Maga, Durga Martha Swarupini, Durgama Sura Samhantri, Durga Mayudha Dharini. So there is a two Mahaprana coming together. So Durga Mayudha Dharini. Durga Mangi, Durga Mata, Durgamya, Durga Meshwari. Durgamasura Samhantri, Durgamayuddhadharini, Durgamangi, Durgamata, Durgamya, Durgameshwari, Durga Bhima, Bha Mahaprana, Durga Bhama, Durga Bha, Durga Dharini, Durga Bhima, Durga Bhama, Durbhaga, Durgadarini. Oh, so I have missed one line before that. So, Durga Mangi, Durga Mata, Durgamya, Durgameshwari. So, after that it is Durga Bhima, Durgabhama, Durbhaga, Durgabha, Durgadharini. Durga Bhima, Durga Bhama, Durga Bha, Durga Dharini. Nama Vali Mimam Yastu Durgaya Mama Manavaha. Pathet, Tha is a Mahaprana. Pathet Sarva Bhayan Mukto Bhavishyati. Bhavishyati Na Samshayah. नामावलीमिमां यस्तु दुर्गाय मम मानवः पठेत् सर्वभयान्मुक्तो भविष्यति न संशयः. So this is the way we have to recite the namas. So these namas are very, very easy to chant. So I suggest and I request all of you to chant these names as many times as possible according to your convenience, as it is the Chaitra Navaratri, and get the divine blessings of Durga Ma.